Meaning of gonna.
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 Gonna. Gonna is a contraction of the phrase going to. It is commonly used in informal spoken English to convey future events or actions. The word gonna is often used when people are speaking casually with friends, family members, or colleagues. This contraction is mostly used in American English and not considered formal language. Some people believe that using contractions like gonna can make your speech sound more natural and less stiff. However, it is not appropriate to use in formal writing or in professional settings as it is considered too informal.